talk about these two toners. I have loved and I still love these beauty or beauties in my hand. I love them. First, this is the I'm from Rice Toner. Next, this is the anua Peach 77 Niacin Essence Toner. Pair these two toners and you have yourself a skin made from heaven. Trust me. I don't like use them every time, but I use them every other day. And I tell you, this is good. This is so good. This is good. Really good. This contains niacinamide, and rice. And if you know I'm from, you know that they've got themselves a good toner. And this is it. Also, the anua, another viral product from the anua, is not only viral, it is good. I've tried it. You can see it's just I just have a little less than half. I have left right here, and yeah, here you go. This is almost over, just a little bit left. So I've used it a lot, and I tell you, this has been a skin saver. I don't use the same toner I use in the morning, in the evening. So I kind of use this too in the evening sometimes. And it's so good. It moisturizes my skin and it helps with the hyperpigmentation. My hyperpigmentation has reduced a lot. You can tell, and I'm not using any filter. What you see is what you get. This is my skin, no makeup on, and this has been good. This has been good. These two, awesome stuff. And make sure you try to get the original one. Make sure you lay your hands on the original one from a trusted vendor or from the website, the newer website, and the I'm from website. This is good. Try it and tell me what you think in the comments. Have you tried it before? Have you tried the 9C? You can actually use them singularly. You don't have to use them together, but I use them together. I go with this first. Put it on my skin. Let it sit a little bit. It has a nice fragrance. The fragrance is that of peach. So has a nice fragrance, and yeah, it's 250 ml. It can take you for a good 4 months. You don't need to your face is not a whale. You don't need to overwhelm it using this. And this too is good. So I let this sit and I go with this, and it's just beautiful on the skin. Like once you use it, your skin becomes really soft and supple. And yeah, so try it and tell me what you think about these two products. And you know, I'm on a journey to achieving a glass skin. So whatever I'm using that is making my skin good, I'm gonna bring it to you guys, and this is one of them. So I think you should try it, and let's get on this journey together, because you know, your skin is what you wear. It's the first outfit you have. If you have a good skin, you don't need no makeup on and you'll be popping, girl. So subscribe to my channel and follow me for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, guys, and bye.